Hi everybody, this is Cyrus for iPhoneAppsFinder.com. I hope you've enjoyed our reviews so far. Today I'm going to review Sleep Time, and this application is an alarm clock and also a sleep cycle analysis application for people who want to wake up on time and at the same time get enough sleep and get their sleep cycle on track. So let's get started. So the user interface is pretty decent looking, even though this is an iPhone app. As you can see, it's not native to iPad, the version I'm using. You can set alarms easily with your hand. And it even gives you instructions on how to use the app to get the best out of it. And it makes me hold this for 2 seconds just to make sure that I want to make that move. So this is an alarm clock and also a sleep cycle analysis app. What it does is, first of all, it has sounds or white noise that you can use to fall asleep. If you have trouble sleeping for whatever reason, maybe you're stressed, it doesn't matter. You can use these sounds and there you go. You have plenty of not plenty, but a few options there. If you don't like the sound of waves, you can go with rain or ocean waves, or select your own playlist. Now the sleep lab part, I haven't tried it because I just got to start using this app. It doesn't have enough data on me. I signed up using my Facebook account. You can use Twitter also. These guys make it easy. That's the neat part. What else? The settings are pretty standard for an app like this. You can change the volume, snooze option. This is pretty easy to do. Doesn't work in both modes, so I can't change the orientation. That'd be useful. It's convenient because you don't want to, when you're trying the app and you're using different modes, you don't want to be limited to just one way of looking at the app. It's not a deal breaker. At the same time, having it is nice. I don't have a lot of songs, that's why I didn't want to show it, but you can use your own songs instead of the white noise that's available in the app. So that's neat. Now let me go back and set the alarm. What time? And once you set the alarm that you want, and you can use your fingers, as I can't show it to you here, but I'm using my finger to do it, and you say start, and you go from there. What I like about this app is the design. The numbers are big. Now I don't have any glasses. I don't have any issue reading these numbers, even if they were smaller. But a lot of people who use these kinds of apps may use some, a strong pair of glasses, and being able to see the digits on the clock and the colors, the way the colors are there, you can clearly see what's going on. It even looks good, even though it's not native to the iPad. It actually looks very good on it, and it's pretty fast too. So that's a big plus. I do like to be able to add more of these sounds, white noises, whatever you might want to call it, because I personally don't like waking up to my own music. I actually like something that's either relaxing or something that's so annoying that will make me get up and go to work basically in the morning. So this is the second version, 2.0.0, and it was released on September 6th. I'm sure the developers are going to add more. I do like to hear your thoughts on how to improve this application, what ideas you may have, what would you do differently to get a better sleep cycle alarm clock application in place. So please provide them if you have any suggestions in the comment below. If you have any feedback, or if you like other apps that you want us to review, just go to iPhoneAppsFinder.com contact section, drop us a note, and we'll review it. I hope you enjoyed this application. I'll be back with another review tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching.